Welcome back to One More Guru. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to use Janitor AI with DeepSeek step by step. First, open your preferred browser and head over to OpenRouter. Search for it and create an account if you don't already have one. If you're already signed up, simply log in. Once you're inside your OpenRouter dashboard, go to the top right corner and navigate to Settings, then click on API Keys. Here, you'll need to generate a new API key. Even if you already have one, I'll show you how to create a fresh key. Click Create API Key, give it a name, something like Janitor AI works fine. You can also set a credit limit if you want, choose how often it resets, and decide whether to add an expiration date. If you don't want it to expire, just leave that option open. After that, click Create, and your new API key will be generated. Make sure to copy it, you'll need it shortly. Before heading to Janitor AI, scroll down in your OpenRouter account settings to the default provider section. Make sure your default model is set to DeepSeek. Click on Search Models, type in DeepSeek, and select your preferred version. In this example, you can choose the free model option available. Now go to Janitor AI. In the top right corner, click where it says you're using Janitor AI, then open API Settings. Select the proxy option and click Add Configuration. Give your configuration a name, something like DeepSeek Proxy. For the model name, paste the DeepSeek model you selected earlier. Then enter the proxy URL, and finally paste the API key you copied from OpenRouter. If you'd like, you can also add a custom prompt. Once everything is filled in, click Add Configuration. That's it. You're now using DeepSeek through a proxy inside Janitor AI. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you get everything set up smoothly. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more simple and helpful tech guides just like this.